Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews and recommendations. Today, we're taking a look at the best Halloween paper decorations available in the market. This Halloween party decoration set comes with 6 large 12 to 20-inch hanging paper lanterns in black and orange colors. Each lantern features a different Halloween motif such as pumpkins, witches, spiders, ghosts, and bats. What sets these lanterns apart is that they are larger than other similar decorations in the market. They unfold between 30 to 50 centimeters, 12 inches to 20 inches, making them a great centerpiece for your Halloween party decor. These lanterns are easy to assemble and come with clear instructions. Simply open the package, assemble the lanterns, and hang them on the ceiling, windows, mantles, trees, and chairs. Or even fix them to the wall to create a spooktacular background for your Halloween party. Your satisfaction is guaranteed with this product, and the seller offers friendly customer service. If you encounter any issues during the assembly or use of the lanterns, they are ready to assist you. That's all for today's review of the best Halloween paper decorations. If you want to add a touch of spookiness to your Halloween party, be sure to check out this set of hanging lanterns. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.